Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is CJ. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about YouTube custom URL. So what does that mean? That means if you have a YouTube channel, you want to customize your own URL. For instance, youtube.com slash, let's just say CJsINFO for my current channel. That would be my custom URL. So how do you go about getting this? How do you go about setting this up? And how long does it take to actually get the custom URL, and how long does it take to go into effect? So I'm going to go over all of that pretty quickly. I'm not going to go super fast, but I'm going to explain to you and let you know how to do it. And I have a second channel right now that's ready for the custom URL, and I'm going to show you how this works. So let's get into it. Alright guys, here we go. Pay attention. My second YouTube channel. It is called Pokemon Go Team Shiny. Now that was the full name, however I did decide to change the name to just Go Team Shiny, and the reason being is because nobody's really going to type in on the search Pokemon Go Team Shiny, but most people will probably type in Go Team Shiny, and that's really an easier name to remember, an easier way to just type in the name in the search bar of YouTube. You really gotta think sometimes of a simple channel name, a clever name, but simple enough that people can remember the name of the channel. So if you make it really long and too long to where people might start messing up words, Go Team Shiny, you really can't mess up those words. It's 3 words and it's easy to spell all 3 words. So Go Team Shiny, people already understand what this means. It's all about catching shiny Pokemon. Okay, so this channel has now had the opportunity to receive the custom URL. And the reason being is because I've met the requirements for that. And for those that don't know what the requirements are, let me go ahead and show you what that means. So if you click on the question mark box here up at the top right within YouTube Studio, just type in custom URL, and anything you have that is YouTube related for questions, you can search through the help section. So I'm clicking on the first one, and if you look right here, it says custom URL eligibility. To create a custom URL for your channel, your account needs to have 100 subscribers or more, be at least 30 days old, have an uploaded profile picture over here, and then have an uploaded banner image, and then YouTube reserves the right to change it, remove it, or reclaim the custom URL that you created. Now, again, 100 subscribers or more, I got 102. Obviously a channel name, a channel profile, which is right here, and a channel banner, and the account or the YouTube channel has to be 30 days old or longer. Now this channel I created started in April 11th of last year, so it's actually coming up to 1 year. It's taken me this long to get 100 subscribers or more, and I'm not upset by that by any means. This channel is just for fun. That's all it is. It's all about catching shiny Pokemon in Pokemon, the game Pokemon Go. I play it when I have time, and I have family and friends who have helped me immensely with supporting this channel and helping the channel grow by also trying to catch shiny Pokemon and creating these videos. So it's not just me. I have a team of people who are helping me, and that's what's also fun about it, is that it's about a team. Okay, so you met all the requirements and you're saying, CJ, what's going on? Where is the custom URL? Why don't I have access to it? Okay, well, I actually was asking myself this question because it's been a really long time. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you where you would find it. How would you know that you actually have it? So log into YouTube Studio on a laptop, a desktop computer, a laptop. You don't really want to do this on your phone. It's easier on a laptop. Okay, you're going to drop down the customization on the left here. Once you're here, there's 3 tabs at the top: Layout, Branding, and Basic Info. Click on Basic Info, scroll down, And right under channel URL, it says set a custom URL for your channel. Okay, so that's where you're going to click on to start your custom URL. Now, understand that you are not necessarily creating your own custom URL. You are, to a certain degree. However, whatever your channel name is, that is the name that they're going to give you. So really, you don't have many options. So if you want to bypass this, what I recommend is name your channel something that you would want your custom URL to be. So for instance, Go Team Shiny. This is what I want this channel to be. Now it's giving me an option here for me to add onto this, but not to actually edit the Go Team Shiny, because it's got to go by the channel name. So how would you know if something was available for another name? Well, the first way I knew that this channel name was available is by simply doing this. Open a web page, and then you're going to go to https://www.youtube.com. Now this is just like an insider trick, okay? So this is valid, what I'm talking about, and true. So once you figure this out, you'll be able to know if a name is actually available. So what I'm going to do here is see if the channel name CJsINFO is taken, okay? CJsINFO is my main channel. Is that taken? youtube.com/CJsINFO. Yes, it is, okay? That is my main channel. It is taken. That's my main channel, and my main channel is that custom URL is taken, as you see at the top. Now, let's see if Go Team Shiny has been taken. Now, if it's been taken, it would go to a YouTube channel with that name. If it's not been taken, which it's not, it will say 404 not found with a monkey holding a magnifying glass, basically saying, you know, there's nothing here. So that is an indicator to let you know that this channel name, this custom URL, is available. Obviously not for you, because I'm going to reserve Go Team Shiny right now. But if you wanted to know if a specific name was available, all you have to do is do this: youtube.com/the channel name. Now it says, if you notice here, it says /C. Basically, it's a redirect to the original channel URL. So it is masking this here, and it's showing you this, but it's a redirect. But you don't need the C. I don't know why YouTube does this /C. Either one will work, /C or the actual /youtube.com/the channel name. And I prefer the channel name. You can use this link, you know, youtube.com/CJsINFO is what I tell people. I don't tell them /C/CJsINFO. It's just silly to me. Both will work. Okay, so now you're ready to reserve your name. I just wanted to show you that insider tip because it really does help to have a specific channel name. Okay, so I'm going to pick the one that they're saying. So it says /C Go Team Shiny. Well, /Go Team Shiny will work as well. So I'm going to click on that. And then to save this, all you have to do now is click on the Publish button at the top right. Click on Publish. Once a custom URL is set, it can't be changed or transferred to a different channel. Your custom URL is ready to be set. youtube.com/C/GoTeamShiny. But again, youtube.com/GoTeamShiny is really the name or the URL that I'm going to use, and that will work. Click on Confirm, and boom, my custom URL is now set. So let's see if it actually works. youtube.com/GoTeamShiny. Boom, it works. It's already set. That's how fast it took. The custom URL is now in effect, and that has made this channel that much more powerful in a sense that Go Team Shiny is now a recognized name to YouTube. It's a channel name, it's in the banner, It's in the about page. It's the custom URL. It's in every part of the description. It's sometimes in the titles of the video. So you really want to do this. Setting a custom URL is a really big thing, and some people don't do it, and they just, I mean, they don't get it, they don't know how to do it, they don't understand it. If you're going to share your link with somebody else, all you have to do is copy and paste that URL, or say, hey, it's youtube.com/CJsINFO/GoTeamShiny. You see how easy that is, how easy that sounds when you say that. But if you say, hey, it's youtube.com/C/ Billy Bob at 123, well, come on, it's too long. So it's that simple, guys. I hope I helped you guys understand how to create a custom URL. Understand it takes about 2 days from the time that YouTube will tell you that I hit 100 subscribers, and at that point I knew the custom URL was going to come available on this channel. So it just took a little bit of time. It takes about 2 days or 48 hours from the time you hit that eligibility of what YouTube says. So I hope that helped you guys. Stay tuned for more videos. If you like this video, I have a lot of YouTube how-to videos out there on the channel. Go to the playlist section. There's about 80 of them or more. So like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!